What's up, guys? In this video, I want to talk about the three main things that make entrepreneurship so worth it and is considered an upside. So stay tuned. We're going to go over those three things in this video. Hey guys, Harry Chister here, teaching you how to build profitable online businesses. Now, I made a video earlier about what are kind of the three things you have to watch out for or could be a detriment to you in business, but these are gonna be the three things that are a good thing for you. So I think the first thing that's an upside as an entrepreneur that I really enjoy and that I think most people enjoy is just, freedom of time and location if you choose so, right? So it depends how big you want your business to get or your company, or if you want a location, but ultimately it is possible to make money online sitting at home or working from, coffee shop, whatever, right? And so I think that's one of the biggest things is simply the fact that I have freedom of location and time where I can make my schedule, I can work when I want per se. And I say per se because you still have to work, right? You still have to leverage your team and if they have contractors, anything like that. But at the end of the day, it does give you a lot of time. So that's gonna be the first thing. The second thing I think is the amount of impact you can have. I think when you work for someone, not that it's good or bad, but when you work for someone, you're limited in that capacity that they have you, right? So you can kind of go to this line, but you can't go past it. And some people, that's good for them. Some people, they don't want to have fear of the unknown or the constant struggle, but something inside of me when I was younger has just always liked new things. It's kind of pushing the limits. And so the thing I like the most is the fact that I can always do new things. I can have as much impact as I want per se if I continue to make money and grow, and I can spend it on the things that I'd like to, stuff like that. That's what really kind of gets me going and what gets me excited. And that's probably the second thing that makes entrepreneurship fun is the fact that you can have as much impact as you want and that there's constantly new things. The third thing is then obviously the financial security and being able to help your family. Ultimately, that was the biggest reason I got into entrepreneurship was not, it might sound bad, but it wasn't because I wanted to help people. It wasn't because I wanted to impact. Originally, I got into it, I was broke as shit. I think that's why most people do. And yes, as you grow, you start liking other things and you start, going more into impact and stuff like that because you realize that money alone will not make you happy, but it is nice to be able to be in a position where, I can pay for the things I need to pay for, I can help the people I need to help, and that's a good feeling to me because ultimately at the end of the day, when your life is easier, it allows you to focus on bigger problems versus just basic problems, meaning most people are living paycheck to paycheck. They're worried about rent, they're worried about this, they're worried about that. But when you are in a position where, finances are not as big a deal, it allows you to think bigger, broader, and kind of a bigger picture type thing versus just your everyday basic needs. So those are the three reasons why I feel entrepreneurship is a great thing, and it allows people to enjoy it and pursue it, and I love it. At the end of the day, it has its ups and downs. This last week was extremely hard for me. You could ask my team, but when it's all kind of levels out and things are there, it's good. It's good, and it's really blessed my life, and it's been able to help a lot of people. So those are the three things I have, guys. Hope this video was somewhat informative for you. If you have suggestions about things you want, make sure to drop those down below. I'm always open to that. And as always, I will see you in the next one. Peace.